FireMagic Aurora collection features 304 stainless steel construction for lasting quality. FireMagic uses true-width cooking grids on their grills. This means the grids of the Aurora 30-inch grill offer 660 inches of grilling space, which is actually more than you'll find on most 34 and 36-inch grills made by other brands. The cooking grids are heavy-duty 304 stainless steel rods, perfect for longevity and heat retention. Under the cooking grids of the FireMagic Aurora, you'll find the stainless steel flame tamers. Their tent-shaped design directs grease away from the burner ports beneath, which works really well to prevent runaway flare-ups. They also provide plenty of coverage for turning drippings into flavorful smoke while grilling. Beneath the flame tamers, the FireMagic Aurora series features heavy-duty cast stainless steel E-burners. FireMagic backs these burners with a lifetime warranty. Each of these burners are lit with electric hot surface ignition. For backup ignition, each burner can be lit with flash tubes as well. Each conventional burner is rated for 25,000 BTUs of cooking power. Hybrid Aurora models like this one feature an infrared searing burner on the left side, perfect for steakhouse quality searing in your own backyard. If you want the option for rotisserie style cooking, the Aurora offers an optional rotisserie kit upgrade. FireMagic's stainless steel rear infrared burner is rated for 19,000 BTUs of cooking power. Both the rear infrared and searing burner come with removable covers to protect them from debris when not in use. The rotisserie rod can also be stored conveniently in this spot at the rear of the grill. For ease of nighttime grilling, the interior of the FireMagic Aurora is lit by 2 halogen lights. The hood of the Aurora analog grill features an easy-to-read thermometer for dependable temperature monitoring. Other nice features include a removable warming rack for extra grill space and a slide-out drip pan for easy cleaning. It's worth noting FireMagic offers several grill sizes in the Aurora collection, making them perfect for any outdoor kitchen. 30-inch models on a cart feature a flush-mounted side burner, rated for 15,000 BTUs. On the sides of the cart, you'll find a paper towel rack and grill tool hooks to keep everything you need close at hand. The lower portion of the cart even has a slide-out propane shelf, making it simple to swap tanks. Now we'll perform the XRF test on FireMagic Aurora. The cooking grids, flame tamers, firebox, control panel, drip pan, inside and outside of the lid, all tested to be 304 stainless steel.